In today's video, I'll show you how to hide event in Calendly. Maybe you've got a meeting type that isn't for everyone, something you only want to send to a handful of people, and you don't want it sitting on your public page for the world to see. That's exactly what this does. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. Right now, I've got my 30-minute meeting here, and because it's a normal event type, anyone who visits my Calendly page can see it and book it. To change that, I'll click the three dots on the right-hand side of the card and look down this menu. There's the option we want, Make Secret. So I'll click that. And that's it, done in one click. Do you see that little crossed out eye that's appeared next to the name? That's Calendly, telling me this event type is now secret and it's hidden from my main page. Now here's the part that really matters, and it catches a lot of people out. Secret does not mean locked. The link still works perfectly. Anyone you send it to can still open it and book a time exactly like before. All you've done is take it off your public page, so nobody stumbles across it by accident. If you need something genuinely private, a secret event on its own won't do that. So when would you actually use this? It's brilliant for a VIP call you only offer certain clients, or an event you're embedding on one specific web page, or something you're still setting up and aren't ready to show off yet. And if you change your mind, it's just as easy to undo. Same three dots, and this time the menu says Make Public, and it's back on your page. So that's it. Click the three dots on your event type, hit Make Secret, and it disappears from your public page while the link keeps on working. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.